Now that we got all the wires tied in, this is the communication device that adds a wire so that the Nest thermostat below can communicate with the existing system. Now before going up these stairs, always contact a professional. Just because you got a wrench don't mean you got it solved. Contact a professional and go in it. So now that we got the Nest thermostat already logged in, we got the unit operating.
I saw that in there, winners win.
Winners win, huh?
I said, I'll try it, what the hell? And when he gave me that call, I was like, oh hell no, I never win nothing. So yeah, this is awesome.
So we just finished installing our Google Nest thermostat grand prize winner, Mr. Dutch. Thank you again for winners win.
Thank you, enjoy it.
So I want you to enjoy it. You got the mirror back. We got the phone handy now, set up. Have at it. Have at it. No purchase necessary, right?
No purchase necessary.
Thank you.